If you're a Windows 10 or 11 user, do this now. Trust me, this one step can save your entire PC from disaster. Most users ignore it until it's too late. Your hard drive fails, Windows crashes, or malware locks you out. But what if I told you that you could create a simple USB recovery drive that could bring your system back to life? A recovery drive is like a backup emergency kit for your computer. It helps you troubleshoot, repair, and even reinstall Windows when things go wrong. Best part, you don't need any third-party software. It's built right into Windows 10 and 11. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, plug in a USB drive. Make sure it's at least 16 GB and empty. It will be formatted. Search for recovery drive in Start menu. An interface will open to create a recovery drive. Enable backup system files to the recovery drive. Click Next. Plug in a USB drive. Make sure it's at least 16 GB and empty. It will be formatted. Select your USB drive and click Next again. If you have any important files, then make sure to save it. Then hit Create. It'll take a few minutes. Once done, click on Signish. Now store it safely. Label it and keep it somewhere secure. This USB can save you during system failures or boot issues. Don't wait until it's too late. Most people only realize they need a recovery drive after their system crashes. Drop a comment if you've created your recovery drive. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.